This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth.Renney. Spacious home featuring 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. This home has great potential and plenty of room for entertaining. It is being sold as a seller to make no repairs. New flooring is needed downstairs, but there are beautiful hardwood floors upstairs. Slate from historical Phoebus church located in several areas of the home. Also, the seller had the staircase moved for better access. Come check out this great home and make it into something you dream of. For more information, review the details below.